Okay, hello everyone. Very good evening. This is Praveen here. Thank you all for joining. I see 48 participants are there. Yes. Yes, Amir. Yes, thank you. Great. Great to see people from different countries. I have received many requests from various countries like USA, Pakistan, maybe Bangladesh. Yes. So that's really nice. Okay, we will wait for 2 more minutes. I have started the session exactly at 7. We will wait for a few more minutes and we will start the session. I see 58 participants are here, right? And yes, so I will set yes, Gomati. So guys, those who want to come on video, you always can come on live, and you can just have a talk with me. I will try to unmute. Any questions, you can just raise your hand or put in the chat before we start the session, because I know many of you are new here, right? Yes, recorded. This is a recorded session, automatic recorded session, and it will be available on the platform, right? So don't need to worry, right? So uh, 1 second, I will change the view here. Okay, great. So how many people are there? 67. Okay, great. So let people join, more people join. We'll wait for some more time. Any questions? Any questions you have, or anything in your mind it is running? Please let me know in the chat, or you can raise your hand. Yes, recorded session is there. Thank you, sir. Good evening. Yes, Prithvi Saha. Great. Prithvi is here. Thanks, Prithvi. Pragya. Yes. So I have seen all of your resumes. Pragya, I have seen your resume. Right. At the end, we will talk like what are the things you need to make sure you're doing something different. Right. Who else is there? Can a mechanical engineer get a job as a DevOps as a fresher? So great, Sandeep. Definitely you can get it. And many of my students have got. So don't worry about that. Right. And just give me 1 more minute. I'll just do a few things from my end. Right. And I'll also make sure I'm doing some things from my end. How many people are there? 82. Okay, let's wait. But I want to ask some questions before the start of the session. Okay, let me set the agenda. All of you are good to start the session in 2 minutes. I'll just switch on these things for me. And I will also make a note for the other people. All right. Okay, great. So yes, okay, great. How many people? 80. Okay, shall we start the session? All good to start the session? Yes, no? Yes, no? Yes, Prithvi Saha? Yes? Great. So all are powered with the Josh. Tell me yes or not, right? So as you have joined the session, I will give my best, okay? From this session, you will be getting something new. And at the end of this session, you will come to know that, okay, bhai, aisa bhi hota hai kya? Aisa bhi hota hai kya in the real time scenario, right? So you will come to know some beautiful things, which I can say like, okay, तुमको अभी तक नहीं मालूम था, अब इस सेशन के बाद तुमको मालूम चलेगा, राइट? एंड क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, आई विल शेयर माय एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू ऑल, राइट? So stay tuned. In the next 1 hour, I will walk you through the presentation which I have prepared yesterday and today, right, for this session. And just stay tuned for next 1 hour where I'll be walking through your resume reviews. I have seen some of you have kept in the Google Drive, so I will be walking through. So it will be mostly 2 hour session, right? Voice is lagging. Okay, I will do one thing. Any other person is facing lag in the voice? Yes, no, no. All good, na? All good. Okay. Okay, you will see me sweating. Okay, so don't worry about that. I'll just switch on the AC. If I switch on the fan, it will again be an issue. You will not hear my voice. So meanwhile, I'll start some things from my end. Okay, so yes, English, yes. Now let's start the session. I will share my screen. All of you have pen and notebook with you. In every of my class, even though if you have joined batch 2, which is starting from 11, or if you have not joined, right? No worries. I always ask my students to have notes with you. You have a pen and a book with you so that you write every important topic, what you feel, okay, this can help you in the future, right? So make sure you have the notes with you. So I'll start sharing my screen. So all of you are okay to start the session? Yes. So I'll start my screen share. Okay, great. All of you are able to see my screen? Okay. Yes. Okay, great. All of you are able to see my screen. Great. So let's start with the session, right? Don't leave the session because I am giving the 100% from my side. Okay. So you are feeling something positive out of me. Yes, no, I will be injecting all the positiveness inside you, right? So stay tuned in the session till 8:30 p.m. We will continue, and rest half an hour I will keep for the Q&A. Okay. So now let's start the session. So I'll share a beautiful presentation to you all. Right, so this is the resume guidance and review session. Get the best jobs in 2023. That's where we are targeting, right? So you all know pandemic is there. This recession has hit us hard, but don't worry. We have plethora of opportunities. We will see how you can make the opportunities with your weapon kind of resume, right? So this is the first slide. Now going on to the next slide, right? Resume is often getting rejected, right? Why it is getting rejected? We should know. What are the pain points that only your resume is getting rejected, and why my resume has got selected in companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Informatica, SAP, and few other good companies. And even I have got maybe good appreciation from the managers who were taking interview also, right? So what I have done specifically, which you are not doing, because of that you are getting rejections, right? So make sure you are with me for next 1.5 hours. Don't leave this session, because at the end of the session, some bonus points are there, some bonus things are there. So I would like to ask one more thing, right? How many of you are willing to join my batch too, right? So just say yes. And for them, there is one beautiful opportunity, very, very big opportunity is there. And I will be making you walk through. Many of you are asking like, Praveen, has any fresher got the job or not, right? So I'll be telling all the things. Has experienced person has got the job or not? With 30 LPA, how many students have got? Everything I will be sharing. So don't worry. Okay, great. Now, yes, let's get started. So guys, few things I have started with the slide one, right? Now you see, don't tend to list responsibilities instead of achievements. I'm starting with the first point, very, very important point. Now, what will happen is, when you are framing your resume, you will tell that, right? For example, you are telling that I have worked on this project, and I solely led the project, and under me there were 7 team members, right? Now you are not telling person that how much cost you have saved, right? Okay, I forgot to add my this thing, what we call your I have a pen tab also with me where I usually write the things and show to students. But anyways, I missed to bring as of now with me. But as of now, understand, right? Tell the recruiters how you have helped the company improve. Use keywords such as achieved, led, accomplished, exceeded, right? So you should tell the people that how you have achieved something, how you have led a team, how you have accomplished the task, how you have exceeded in your current project, right? Even though you have not done, some of you may ask the question, right? Praveen, I have not done any of these things. Anyone is there who has not done any of these things, right? Don't worry, right? What you can do is, you can prepare yourself some projects, maybe on YouTube, maybe by joining some course, maybe studying from someone, and write that as an accomplishment, as a proof of concept. What we call, guys, in a bigger organization, what we call something as proof of concept, right? All of you know this. We call as proof of concept, right? All of you know this, right? You take the projects from somewhere and add it in your resume, right? Which we call as proof of concepts, right? Now you see, don't use same resume for all jobs. Many of you do this mistake, guys. Many of you do this mistakes. Now what I have done specifically, I will write in the notes. In my bootcamp too also, I will do this. I always share the notes with the people. So I will write some notes here, so that it will be helpful. Right. What I have done specifically, I'll tell you. Let the Microsoft Teams notes come out. Okay, so this was the notes. You see, every session I write the notes like this. Okay, so today's session is resume session, right? So what differently I have done is I have made my, okay, I'll make it big little bit. Okay. I have made my resume according to the companies, guys. Okay. Now, you know, Amazon. Okay. I always tell Amazon is a top product based company and a dream of many, right? Amazon is a dream of many, right? Yes, those who have registered in the course will get the presentation. Okay. Amazon is a dream of many people. Now, what Amazon principles say? 14 leadership principles, right? 14 leadership principles. Now, if your resume is standing on this, then the HR will hire you. I mean, the first round will be proceeded. Resume standing in this 14 principles, at least if you are passing out of 14, 7 principles or 5 to 7 principles, right? Your resume will be selected for screening, right? I'll be showing what I have done specifically, right? Now you are able to understand. Now, that is where I tell to people, if you are applying for Amazon, your resume should be tailor made according to that principles. What are those principles? How leadership qualities you have exhibited, how you are different from other people, why only people should select you specifically is the question arise, right? Now, you see, tailor your resume according to the job role that you are applying. And we will talk in the coming slides more about it, right? Now, not backing up your achievements with data. I see many of you don't write this, guys. I don't know, like, see, achievements, why you are not writing achievements, right? So in my resume, I have added all the achievements, right? Achievements show that why they have to hire you, right? All of you are writing in the notes, right? I will show sample templates in the mid of the session. I will show you sample resumes. I will show you free websites where you can make your resume, and I will walk you through the resume reviews. Some people have added in the drive, right? So key achievements, why they have to hire you makes the differentiation from here, right? So you are understanding? Okay, I'll change the color somewhere to maybe green. Yes. So achievements are very important. You need to write why they have to hire you and in what terms you have to write some achievements, right? In terms of numbers. Okay, this point also is there. In terms of number is, what is DevOps, guys? What is DevOps? DevOps is directly proportional to cost. Okay, directly proportional to cost, right? So what it means, the amount of cost you save to the company, right? The more importance the manager or the director will give to you, right? That's where DevOps team stands, right? You are able to understand. So I always tell the cost is important. Suppose you have saved 10 rupees in the project, write that proudly. Write that proudly that you have saved this amount of cost, because you know cost optimization is one of the technique where we reduce the cost of the companies, right? All of you agree? How many of you agree with this? Where is my Zoom? How many of you agree with the cost optimization? Okay, I cannot see. Okay. How many of you agree, right? All of you agree, right? Cost plays an important factor, right? In not only my organization, in every organization, cost plays an important role, right? So that is why I always tell, right? Back your data with some numbers. Now you see, next point, don't add unnecessary words and details. Now this is very important for fresher, right? Now fresher, what he or she will do, he or she will try to add more data, right? Now he or she doesn't have the experience, but they try to add more data. Coming on to experience, we should not do that. Freshers can do, because freshers need to show that okay, that particular guy or a person has worked on various projects. But experienced person, if they write anything what they want, people will reject, because you know, in job market, how much is the competition, guys? How much is the competition? If you see now, if you open LinkedIn and see, jobs in DevOps are there, right? Are there. That is a happy situation for us, right? But the competition is more, right? If you see any job which is released in 2 hours, right? 2 hours ago, applications will be maybe, let's take 120 plus, right? So you see competition is more for a particular job, right? So people are trying to get maximum jobs in the current situation, right? They are hunting. Now, whoever is present in this class, I want everyone to be very active on LinkedIn in every platform so that SINGAM batch can get more number of opportunities and crack more jobs, right? So that's where I always enlighten people to start with, right? Now, always be honest with your experience and tell the details in very crispy manner. Always. Now, next point, if you see, don't just think one page resume works. Guys, how much page, can you tell me how much page my resume was? If you have seen my recent video, how many pages my resume was? 2. Okay, few people have told, those who are watching on YouTube, right? Okay, my resume was 8-page, guys. Okay, not 3, not 4, 8-page resume, because I was honest with my works, my achievements, my data points, whatever I wanted to tell, I have told to the recruiter very honestly, right? I took 1 week of time to prepare my resume, right? Great. So it means you are watching, right? Now you see all the points, whichever I have told you, and whoever is writing in the notes, you have to write like this: responsibilities in terms of numbers. Don't use same resumes. I will anyway share the presentation to you all in the website itself. Okay. Now you see, uniquely I have made this slide for you. Now you see, when we are talking about these things, what makes a person unique, right? What makes the person unique? You see, creative thinking, empathy, leadership, conflict resolution, and budget management. These all things no one will tell you, guys. Did anyone tell you all these things are important for resume? Yes or no? Anyone told you these all things are important for your resume? No, no one will tell, right? But because you are with me, I know what market needs. What market needs, I know. Now you see, one point you will relate after this session is completed. Open your resume and find this matching words with you, right? In your resume. Now we will see one by one. Now, creative thinking. Suppose you have done something new to the project, right? After you join my course, some creative thinking you will definitely do, because we will be doing so much hands-on on chatbots, Terraform, AWS infra creation, and all those things. And all those things will come under your creative thinking, right? Now, HRs or the system, right? Whatever is there in the organization will try to find these type of keywords. What person has done creatively, right? So thinking of new tasks, solving problems, meeting new challenges will come and make you unique. Guys, here a word unique I am stretching, because then only people will select your resume, right? All of you, those who are watching me live, yes or no? Always you have to be unique from others. The competition is tough in the market. You have to be unique and standing up front them, then only your resume will get selected, right? Empathy. Why I am writing empathy in the slide, right? Guys, from today, what you have to do, right? Don't just sit on bed, start searching for someone who's not helping you. Find people, talk with them, right? See, talk with various people, approach various people on LinkedIn. Guys, why you are stopping yourself? Talk with various people. Suppose a director is there in Amazon, talk with him. If he's not replying, approach other person who is experience of 3 years, 4 years, who is working as a DevOps engineer or SRE engineer. Try to get details from him or her. So can you imagine, right? If a person is not replying, how many times we have to approach similarly? Can you tell me a number? How many times we have to approach a person or different people on LinkedIn if we are not getting a proper response? Maybe 10 times. Will you talk with 10 times? Maximum 3 times? Not the same person. I am talking about different people you approach. 2 to 55. Okay. I would say until you get the response, you have to ask different types of people. Now, Prithvi is there. He has talked with me, right? He has talked with me on LinkedIn. Now he is here in my session, right? Similarly, Saurav is there. I've got so many responses from you all, right? Which is very good, right? So leadership, guys, resume is not about just showing your skills. It's all about showing your leadership qualities also. The eye which you are watching now, my screen, should work faster from this session, right? You should educate people. You should guide and empower others. If you are working in a project, you always try to educate person. Suppose, right? A new joinee joins your team. You should be the first person stating your manager that, hey manager, give me a chance, I will educate him or her the entire process of our team, right? How many of you do that? Tell me boldly, right? No lies here, right? Tell me boldly, how many of you have educated your teammates, right? If you are a fresher, if you are a student, always try to participate in various activities, right? Right? All of, have you done, right? Have you done teaching anyone in your team? No one? No one? Yes, you did. Correct. So those all things will come in your resume. Now you are able to understand what are the points you need to keep in your resume, which are coming as a leadership qualities. Yes, yes, Prithvi, you can keep that. You can keep that. Like, okay, I have mentored many juniors from my college, right? Now you see conflict resolution. Suppose in your team or in a fresher, when you are a fresher, you are creating some projects, right? In third year and fourth year, we get projects. So suppose there is a conflict, how you have resolved that conflict and how you are able to maintain the peace in the team is very much important, right? So these all things also play an important role in building your resume. Budget management. Think whatever you do in a project is related to money. As I've told you, DevOps is directly proportional to the money or the cost, right? And think twice before you act, right? All are good. All are good. These all things are unique, which I am telling, right? No one will tell you. No one will tell you like, okay, you have to do in these kind of things, right? Everyone will tell like, okay, copy from my resume, copy from some template, but no, always be own, establish your own brand. That's where people will try and select you, right? Yes, great. Let's move to the next slide. Tips that will make your resume different, right? Now these things are very much important. Listen to me. Okay, those who have not worked in any company, you can start showing that skills on LinkedIn, right? Start, be active on the LinkedIn, and you will see within 1 month the results are in front of you. People will start acknowledging your posts, right? Deepika Chaudhary, this is for you, because you are telling you have not worked in any company, right? How you establish yourself as a brand? Deepika as a brand, how you can establish is by showing people your work, right? Suppose you think, yaar, abhi main baitha hu, if I'm not doing anything, I'm watching TV, will I get anything? Or suppose you have taken your time, 1.5 hours of time, and you have joined this session, you are different from others who are watching TV or movies or going to malls and enjoying, right? So you are investing your crucial time in this session. I want to give the best to you. In the next coming 1 hour, you will see some differences flashing onto your screen, right? So now tips that will make your resume different. Keep priority sections on top. Guys, I will be honest with you. I have seen many resumes where people are keeping different formats like up and down, up and down. Now, this is the format which you need to keep, and this is the standard format, right? Now you see introduction is there, summary is there, then technical skills, then projects, then achievements, then certifications, then education. Now, many of you, what you do not, education you keep on the top, right? How many of you have done? How many of you have done? Just raise hands or tell me, bhai, I have done this. I have added my education on top, right? Don't do that. No, don't do that, right? Don't do that. No one needs education. For freshers, it's fine. You want to show your education, but for an experienced person, education doesn't matter, right? What matters is how you have implemented your project, how you have worked, what are your technical skills, what are your deep things that makes you different, right? Please don't do that. Always keep education last, right? Certifications, achievement. This is the format, guys. Please note it down. Those who are watching me on YouTube also, please note it down, right? Now, outside work contributions. Now, this is one of the important thing, guys. Suppose you are joining my batch too. Suppose, for example, you will get a certificate at the end of the course, right? Which means that you have invested your crucial time to learn something new. Suppose you are learning Terraform automation where I am creating infra and you are also creating infra in AWS. What does that mean? You are studying new projects, which means you are taking time and trying to evolve yourself. This is one of the leadership principles in Amazon, right? All of you agree, right? So outside work contribution for freshers, you see, you can go and work, participate in hackathons. For People like experienced. You can participate in any events in the office. You can give seminars. You can host some events. These are like outside work contributions, and where Amazon, Microsoft, Google, guys, just one thing, why people in always are trying to work in good companies? Why? Can you tell me the answer for that? Why people always want to attend only big companies or get job in big companies? Can you tell? Can you tell me the answer for that? Work life balance? Not really. To get a better exposure? No. What else? Better opportunity, recognition, work culture, high pay and great experience? High pay? No. Brand. People want brand first. Brand value is more, guys. You are understanding, right? So suppose I want to know Charan. He should be a brand, right? Job security all comes next, guys. But name, the brand is more important for the people in current generation, right? Rest comes the work-life balance to get better. These all things, whatever you have tell, right? Correct? You are understanding, right? What's the difference between people, right? And this particular session, whatever you are talking, work culture, recognition, high pay, perks, these all things you can get in other companies also, right? There are other companies, but brand is more important for the people, right? Yes, Bhagishri, great. Now let's go to the next point. Innovation and creative, guys. You have to be very innovative. Now people will tell, don't put your hobbies, but I have put my hobbies, guys, right? I have put that I am doing YouTube, I am teaching, I am blogging, I am building tools, I'm participating in various coding platforms and having some ranks. How many of you have participated in some hackathons, right, which you have put in your resume? How many of you have done? Right, even though you have failed in the hackathon, no need, but the participation is important. The certificate, if you have got something, you can put directly in your resume, all right, which are very, very much important, right? This will lead you good fruits in the coming days, right? So now all are clear with this slide? Yes, no? Yes, no? All are clear with this slide, right? Yes, yes. I'm not getting anything. Yes. Why all others are very silent? Bindu, Burhan, Sai Shilpa, Mohit, Dharmendra. Power, guys, power. You need to be powerful enough for the next 2 months, right? So that you are learning so much good things with good hands-on projects, which you take. Like one project we have learned, you just keep in your resume. For a fresher, I am telling you, just keep in your resume. For an experienced person, you are learning chatbot with Python and Slackbot with Python. You keep that in your resume directly, right? You want power for the next 2 months. And in my session, I want everyone to have water bottles, right? Even though you sit, right, but your brain, your body needs water continuously, right? So always make sure you have pen, notebook and a water bottle with you in my session. And I don't give break, right? I usually don't give break because I will be able to talk continuously for hours and hours, right? Great. So that's how my audience should be, right? So if you are doing something unique, now tell me how many of you are doing something unique, like you have some good skills dancing, or you want to showcase some YouTube or teaching. Anyone who is uniquely different from others, who want to tell this class that, hey man, I'm doing something different? Anyone here? Sir, okay, I will take those questions last. Anyone? I want to do? No, not want to do. You are doing. Anyone who is doing differently, writing content? Okay, Saurav, that's great, right? Anything else on YouTube? Anyone? Video editing? Great. Who is that? Aditya Kushwaha. Okay, yeah, I am playing kabaddi. Great. Yes, I used to write blogs. So guys, writing blogs, these all makes you different. All of you put in resume. Okay, if you have played kabaddi and want something, put in resume. Aditya, for you, if you are doing video editing for someone, right, write the channel name also and tell them that you are managing your work. At the same time, you are managing your time also. You are not wasting your time. You are spending your time in something different. Now let's take an example. Guys, all of you are okay with my pace now? Yes, no? On YouTube also? All of you are okay with my pace? I'm going fast, slow? No, right? Yes, all good. Greta Grace? Yes. Sandeep? Great. Great. Awesome. So that gives a smile to me, right? That gives more power to me, right? Great. You all are awesome. Yes, you all are awesome. Now, let's go ahead. Let's see. You all are completed this thing. Now, after this session, right, till 9 p.m., let's say session is completed, just take 30 minutes, guys. Open your resume if you have written something right? Match all the things. This PDF will be available by tomorrow morning to you all with recordings. Okay, by tomorrow morning in the same website. How you have joined today, just come tomorrow. You can watch recordings. You can get this PDF also, right? Now, I will talk about where you can make free resumes and how I have made my resume, current resume also, right? Now, many of you don't know what is ATS. Okay, now, okay, not this. Now, ATS, right? Applicant tracking system, very much important. Now, have you ever imagined, right? See this, guys, all of you, please don't flash your eyes here and there. Applicant tracking system, what it does, guys, for a particular job, one job, when it is posted, right? When it is posted, what will happen? You see, what will happen when one job is posted? Let's say 1,000 people have applied, right? Now, HR is not a manual robot, right? We all are human beings. Now, there is a manual robot or application which we call ATS, which will scrutinize over 1,000 resumes. And let's say it filters only 50 resumes. How it filters now? How is the biggest question, right? All of you agree? Right? Now, all of you agree? Right? Those who are in YouTube, agree? Yes. Now, how this 1,000 resumes have got to 50 resumes? Now we will see how. All of you see in the slide. All of you, eyes on the slide, please. Don't write anything. All of you. Oh, Deepika, yes, great. Yes, all of you see. Now, use keywords related to JD. Let's take, all of you have a dream organization. Now, how I am writing, how, guys? Very important, please see this. Dream organization. My dream organization was Amazon, right? Let's take, my dream organization was Microsoft. Okay. And my resume got selected in both of them, and I got selected also. Okay. Now my dream organization is Amazon and Microsoft. Now I will see the JD of these two companies, right? Few JDs. Let's take in the portal, you search with SRE, you search with DevOps, you find some JDs. Now next step is find JDs. Now after that, select keyword, guys. Select keywords. Very important. Let's take in those JDs. JDs means job description. SRE, site reliability engineering, DevOps. Okay. Now select keywords. Let's understand what type of keywords will be. Kubernetes, which is there in my session. Terraform, which is there in my session. Right. AWS there in my session. What else? Keywords. You talk any tool like monitoring. We have Grafana. We have MySQL database for database people. Right. And we have some bots. Right. We have some bots, and we have some CI/CD pipelines in our class. Right. So let's take, this is the keywords. Right. Let's take, this is the keywords in the course, in the JDs. Right. Now what will happen? You need to design your resume. Design your resume, right, with these keywords, guys. Now what will happen? Let's take your resume is coming to ATS, right? It will see the keywords and it will forward your resume to HR. Okay, all of you understanding? HR will forward to manager. Manager will say yes, right? Then your interview is scheduled. Correct? All of you agree? Now these all things, whatever you are seeing, these keywords, I have major keywords, right, in my course, right? So don't worry, right? Agree? All of you agree? Now let's think in this way. Now, how many of you have done this thing? Either you should have 3 resumes. One is for like one resume you always apply for your dream organization, one for your Naukri, and one for your LinkedIn kind of things. At least have 2 resumes, guys. How many of you have 2 resumes? But what about LinkedIn profile? Sankit, don't worry. Praveen is here. In my course, you will see how I have got 700 job applications selected to various companies. So don't worry. Okay. Now, how many of you have done that? How many of you have 2 resumes, one for your dream organization and one for your normal job search criteria? Anyone having 2 resumes with you? Yes, no? 1 resume only? Okay. Some of you have, some of you don't have. No worries. Okay. No worries. So keywords related to JD. Now don't leave this session. I would say just 30 minutes more, then we will directly jump into the resume reviews. And I will be telling you the important things which no one would have told you. Right. So stay tuned. Right. Don't leave the session. It will be very helpful for you, right? Now, see keywords related to JD, 1 point. Point number 2, tailor make the resume to JD. customize your resume to match the specific requirements, right? That's what I was telling, right? Always customize your requirements based on the JD. Customize your resume based on the JD, which is very much important, guys. And these two URLs we will see now. So don't go anywhere. I will show you both the URLs and how you can design your resume. Okay. Now keep it clean. Now, when a user is seeing, when a HR is seeing, how much time usually HR has? How much time? How much time usually HR has? Guys, can anyone tell me? 10 seconds, 8 seconds maximum. Okay. No 2 minutes. No one will have 2 minutes, guys. 5 to seconds, 7 seconds. Okay. Maximum to maximum. We or the HRs will have 5 to 7 seconds. And at a glance, right? At a glance, you should be able to tell them that, okay, bhai, you take me in and I will be the best fit for your team. Correct. So that's how you give the confidence, even though you are attending the mock interviews in my class, right? This is the way I give the feedback to the team or feedback to the person, right? And you will see some amazing results after the course gets completed, right? Now you see, keep it clean, authentic. The more genuinity, guys, nowadays people with genuinity is very less. Have you heard about fake jobs? Right? Have you heard about fake jobs? Now people are very much actively applying in the fake jobs. Now I want all my students, all my 100 plus people, those who are watching me live, or like I think 150 plus people are watching me live in both the channels, right? I want you all to be genuine. Don't go in the fake terms. If you are with me, Singam is here always to help, right? So that's how the confidence you should keep, right? Now, shall we go to the websites to make the free resume? Right? All of you are ready on the YouTube? Yes, all of you are ready. Please like the YouTube video if you are liking the content, right? And share the channel link with your friends, right? Great. In the next few minutes, you will see some amazing results, guys. Amazing results. Okay, how to recognize fake jobs? Deepika, you can ping me on LinkedIn because I'm very much expert in that. Okay. Okay, all of you are ready. Please like the video and share the channel link with your friends also. Praveen, can I get the drive link for reviewing the resume? Jimmy, I have closed the drive link because so many resumes I have got, right? But I think WhatsApp people, everyone have placed their resume, right? But you see what is the difference that will make your resume different, right? So just stay tuned, right? Now you see these two things, right? These two things. Okay, we will do these two things at the end. I will make the walkthrough over the resume. Okay. Okay, is that fine with you all? I will walk through the entire things and then we will do that link. Okay. Yes. All of you on the YouTube, are you okay, guys? Are you okay? Yes. Okay, great. Great. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now, guys, how many of you are facing the gaps in employment? Tell me frankly. I want many. Yes, I think many of the people are having the gaps in employment. Yes. See, Divi is there. Me, Surya is there, Gautam. So in this class, you will try to see how you can fill your gap. Okay, 8 months is good. No problem, guys. 8 months is good. But I will tell a genuine reason, guys. Very much important. I will tell you a genuine reason. Oh, Khalid, you are here. Great to see, man. Okay. So now you see how to make sure that gap is filled and how you can be genuine with the person who is taking the interview. Okay. Now you see how I am telling. So suppose there is a gap and you see this is the roads, different types of roads, guys. Okay. Like our life is at different positions, right? And we are trying to bring our life into the common place. We need happiness, we need job satisfaction, everything, right? So what you do, suppose you have a job, like you let's say you have a job gap. So what I will do, I went to a sabbatical leave for an year due to health issue. Later started some business, XYZ business, not only food, you can tell any other business. And due to the pandemic, right? Let's take, in the pandemic, your business got hit and again you are searching for the new opportunities in your core area. This is one such example. All are with me? This example is genuine or not? Suppose interviewer is now asking cross questions, right? Now you should be capable of answering those questions. So what is your thela, where you have started the food business, what type of customers you were facing? Now food, any type of work you do, for what you are doing, guys? For earning better income, for supporting your parents, for making the smile on your parents' face, correct? So all these things, how it can come by hard working. You should put your hard work. Now, suppose you are telling lie. Suppose you have started a food business and that food business is not going well. How you will tell genuinely? Okay, you will tell that, okay, I'm a student. Okay, now someone is interviewing me. Suppose Sandeep and Greta are my interviewers. Now Greta is asking, hey Praveen, you have 2 years of gap. What you have done in that? So I will tell, hey Greta, I have worked as a I've started my own food business because I was more interested into that, and due to pandemic it got lost, but I have not stopped there. Right, I've made sure that I come back to my original job opportunities. I started searching, and I have faced many rejection, but still I am searching. Still I am searching, and I'm making sure that this interview I get with a positive note. That's how you just reflect that confidence on the interviewers, right? Greta happy, Sandeep happy with my answer. Now they will ask the cross questions. Why, even if your dream was food business, okay? Now listen carefully, all of you. Suppose your dream is food business, why you are stopping and again coming back to the IT? Okay, this is the question. Now you can tell proudly that yes, you are correct. Okay, you are correct that my food business gone wrong and pandemic hit bad. Now I want to support my family. Right now, I cannot sit on food business daily. I want to support my family, and I'm capable enough to show that my talent and skills are much supporting and much will help your team to grow. Right, something kind of that. Right now, all of you are okay. Right now, let's see other things. Now, winning keywords for your resume, guys. All are happy till now? Yes, no? All are happy till now, and you will be happy more when I show you the free website where I will design some resume and I will take your resume reviews, and you will be going out from my session as a different person, right? And one more thing, for those who have joined my session, I have something big for you for joining the batch too, right? And the special discount, everything will be there for you all. So stay tuned, okay? Don't go anywhere. I will show you everything genuinely, okay? Right now, see, now don't keep the old keywords, guys. This team player, hardworking, trustworthy, communication. These are old keywords. Are you feeling old? Old keywords? Team player. I am a good team player. I am hardworking person. I am trustworthy. I am good. I have good communication skills. These are old. Correct? All are agreeing? Yes, no? Shake? Yes? 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 Great. Now you see, guys, those who are on YouTube, guys, please, 60 plus people are there, right? Please like the video, right? It will be very helpful for me, right? And in the coming days also, we will do so many lives, okay? Now you see communication, right? Trustworthy communication, that name, if you change to something else, like you were a collaborative person, right? You were highly organized, you are extremely accountable. How this impact is creating. Now directors, if you see some directors emails or managers email or your team lead emails, he will be using these kind of keywords, which is actually attracting people. Yes or no? We should attract, guys. What we are trying to do with all these things, right? What we are trying to do, 90 plus people plus 60 plus people on YouTube, what we are trying to do? Yes, what will you try to do? Right, grab attention, right? We are trying to do the attention grabbing, right? Yes, we are trying to do we are trying to get noticed everywhere, right? So these all things will make you different, not only on your life, but at the same time, if you apply on your resume, right? Just tailor frame your resume with all the things, right? All the different things, then it will be so good for you. You will see some positive energy, right? Now you see, your resume must be simple to read, guys. This is the important slide, and I want everyone to focus here. Those who are on YouTube, please focus here. This is the important slide, right? And this is where we will start new things. Okay, now you see big headings, key info bolded, concise bullet points, black text and white background, nothing fancy. Okay, now I have few resumes who have uploaded in the drive. I will be just comparing with these things there. Okay, so all of you note down in your notes, guys. Please note down in your notes. Big headings is very much important. When I am seeing your resume, my eyesight should flash on the big headings, right? Big headings in the sense professional summary, awards, work history. You make it bold and you make it black, right? All of you are able to understand? All of you are writing down in your notes? Yes? Yes, no? Yes? Yes? Only one? Others? 90 plus people are there, guys. Where is your power? Type kar do na yes, so that सबको पता चले कि यार कुछ हो रहा है अच्छा, right? Okay. Now you see. Okay, great. Great. Making notes. Now, big headings, key info bolded, guys. Key info bold. I will tell. See this girl, right? Enhancing English learning. She has bolded this. Now, I will not read all the things. You see, educator and English learning. She has bolded. So my eyes will go to that particular two words only. Yes or no? On YouTube, yes or no? All of you agreeing or not? So whenever you feel that okay, this I should intimate to HR then you have to bold the letters. All of you are agreeing with me? All of you are agreeing? Now, one more important thing. If you are joining my batch 2, this slides will entirely get shifted to a more matured slides. Okay. Now I will be showing you some different things, some more matured points. Okay. These are important points for making sure your resume is built. In my class, I will show my own resume, right? How you can build not similar, but according to your data points, right? Now you see concise bullet points. Always make sure you are not keeping lengthy things. You are talking on the bullet points because everyone needs like highlights only, right? After the meeting, what we call, once the meeting is over, freshers, they cannot answer, I think, but experienced person, what you call after the meeting? Okay. Minutes of meeting, right? Why we are sending minutes of meeting? Because we want everything crisp and clear, right? Okay, great. Now black text and white background, this is okay, and this is universally accepted. Now I see some of the resumes where people are using green, blue, red, whatnot. They are not making, they are trying to make something colorful resume. How many of you have colorful resume? Be honest with me, guys. How many of you have colorful resume? Okay, both on YouTube. Anyone is there who has colorful resume? Okay, someone has told me, Aditya. I have seen one more colorful resume in the drive. Okay, Gomati, no. Okay, on the YouTube, no. Blue and white. Okay, that's fine. One color is okay. One color is okay, but not multicolors. Okay. Black text, white background, nothing fancy. We don't need anything fancy, guys. Okay. Saurabh. Okay, Saurabh has that. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Now, all are clear till now? All are clear till now? Yes, no? All are clear? All of you have written notes? Yes. Yes. 89 people and 50 plus people are there on YouTube. Yes. Now, one of the important things I'll be taking you in, then the agenda will be, I'll be taking you through the resume creation. Okay. Then I will be doing the resume reviews. Okay. And I will be giving the free websites for you to create the resume. Right. Now, let's go ahead. Okay. Let's go ahead. 80 plus people are there. 89, in fact. So don't leave the session. I'll be talking some important things which will change your career in next 2 months. Okay. All are with me? Your career will be changed in next 2 months. Okay. That assurance I am giving. Okay. I'm giving. All are with me on the chat, YouTube chat also, right? So now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and watch some of the things, right? Now you see, these are the statistics which my students have got till now. And nothing is lie here. If you want to talk with each of the person, I am allowing you to talk. In the next slides, I will be giving the contact points of each of the person so you can talk with them, right? Now, my students have got placed in these companies. This Zynga 23 LPA, okay, fresher has got. Walmart 30 LPA, one girl has got. This NEC, NAB, one person has got. I don't remember his name. He was from the WhatsApp group. Amazon, few have got. Cisco, again, I'm not remembering name. Infosys, I'm not remembering. Deloitte, Chandrasekhar, Airtel, Tripurakant, Exaware. Again, this was from the WhatsApp community. Again, Sapient was from WhatsApp community. DXC, again from WhatsApp community. Techolution, LinkedIn community. This student, I remember, I think his name was something Money or something. Global Logic, again, students have got. Right now, apart from these things, I have students from Nokia. You have recently seen, right? I think I have posted on WhatsApp groups also. Yes, you have seen that post. He has got in Nokia with 400% hike. Have you seen that? Yes. So that person name I have directly kept, right? So whenever a student get job, I will ask him, hey brother, can I put your name in the screenshot or not? Right? If he says yes, then only I will put. or else you will see somewhere I am doing the yellow color marking. Okay, I don't want to expose my student name. Okay, you have not seen Saurabh, don't worry, you will see in the LinkedIn. Okay, you go and see in the LinkedIn. Now you see guys, these are the people who have got the packages. All of you see on the screen, placement growth strategy. Okay, 30 LPA with highest package. I think now it has been crossed. One more person have got in Walmart. I have not asked him the package, but yeah, till now it is this. So this is one girl has got. Okay, so she is telling she's happy with 30 LPA. Okay, imagine you getting a 30 LPA, right, in the next few days, or at least some 100% hike is what I am expecting from you all, right? Right now, 23 LPA Zynga. This was the fresher, and I have also released a YouTube video from him. 13 LPA Deloitte Chandrasekhar Jangnam. You can directly talk with him, and they have already stated some of the testimonials. So I'm directly stating. All of you have seen this. I'm not talking anything bad or anything lie here. All are understanding that or not, right? Yes, all are agreeing. I'm not talking anything lies here. Yes, all of you are agreeing. Yes or no? Only one yes. Why, guys? You are thinking I'm talking lie? Then wait for a moment. Okay, wait for a moment. I will show you some more things. Now, when I'm talking about package, my intention is not that you get 500% hike, 400% hike. My intention is that you get a better opportunity from where you are standing now, and after joining my course, where you will go. Right? That's what my intention is. Right now, you see, these are the people who have placed with my guidance or with my course. Now you see, some people are asking like, I am from Dubai, I am from USA. For them, you see, placed in NEC from Dubai. He was working in Dubai, and now he is in NEC Corporation, right? He has taken continuous calls with me. He has taken continuous mentorship. He has taken continuous sessions with me, right? And he has got NEC. He wanted to come from Dubai to here. Starting from his mock interviews, from his resume reviews, I have done everything for him, right? Sessions basically. Right now, Nageshwar Pandey, right, placed in Jungle Works, right? 4 offers he has got, guys. I will show you one good thing here, right? If you have seen my YouTube channel, he has come on channel also, right? All of you have seen his video, yes or no? Yes or no? Where is that? See, this is the person who has got. By the way, he has got 4 offers, guys. Okay, you see, my student got 3 job offers, basically Jungle Works, Accenture, Amazon, Ventura Pack, but he joined Jungle Works. Okay, all of you are seeing this, right? Correct, all of you are seeing. If you see, he will talk something also like how was his journey, what he has done actually. I will not go into depth, but you can see, you can watch, because that person has actually talked. Okay, and everything is genuine. Okay, just see. Okay, just see how, even though he's not having confidence, right? He's not watching the. Okay, so that's how the things. After you take something from me, you will be becoming like that, right? Now you see, where is that? Okay, now you see Nageshwar Pandey. Okay, he has got placed in Jungle Works with a good package. Okay, and I have given all of the LinkedIn links. You all can go and talk to the people. I always talk with genuinity, right? Not like other people just they tell like, my student has got this, my student has got that. This guy has got good package, Techolution. He has got permanent work from home opportunity. He has taken everything from me, right? I think almost 2 months he was with me. He has never missed anything. Always he used to reach me, and he used to take the guidance from me. Okay, now all are clear till now. All are clear till now. Where are you guys? All are clear till now. Yes. Now you see some more students, right? Now you see Shweta got placed as an intern at Luke's Tech. Okay, DLE UX Tech. Now you can connect with Shweta and you can understand how was my course, how was the batch 1.0, how she has got the internship opportunity, everything. Now Gopi placed in Walmart. He was a batch 1 student. Okay, you can directly talk with him. Okay, you can directly talk with him. Gopi Krishna T. Okay, all of you understanding? He has placed in Walmart and he has not missed the session, guys. Not even missed the session. He was joining every session. He was asking doubts. He was preparing the projects, and those projects only helped him to got into Walmart. All of you are happy to see how the students are getting placed. Top product-based companies, your dream to come true, right? All of you are seeing. Yes, no? Yes. Now you see something called Tripura Kant got placed in Airtel. He got placed into 3 companies actually. And I asked him to join Airtel only, right? And he joined Airtel as a DevOps engineer and he is successful now there, right? You can always reach to these people and talk. You can ask anything, whether you can join the course, what is the things. Fresher has got, right? A fresher has got, right? When I'm telling about fresher, a fresher has got 3 offers from my guidance. It means a lot, right? It means I'm imparting so much knowledge to you all, right? So that you come out as a good person after the course. Now you see something is there for you all, those who have joined the session, right? After this, we will see resume reviews, and after this, we will see some good things, right? And I'll be making you walk through the websites also. Now you see those who have joined this session, right? How many of you are there? 85 and YouTube 54. Now you see something is there, flat 55% discount for people in today's class. Okay, ideally this course is at 7899, right? And today's price is 4443 if you open the website. But those who have joined the course, you will get the course cost at 3500 only, which is 55% discount. And you will see a coupon code. This coupon code is only for the people who are watching. Now you will see, once you have clicked the link, right? I will take you to the link. You will see buy course now, right? And if you see, final price at checkout is 3999. This is for the people who has not joined into the course. Okay, now if I do the buy course now, see carefully guys, buy course now, and if I go here, this is the coupon code which is applying, right? You need to cancel this coupon code and you need to apply the new coupon code, which is DEVOPS2, right? DevOps 2, and you need to apply, and you will get the price of 55% off, valid for today, right? All are agreeing, right? Now, once you have got this, come down and you will see everything under the preview. Okay, so contents, what are the contents I'm covering in this class? You will see CI pipeline with Groovy with various stages, GitLab branching strategy, types of Jenkins pipeline, the flow of CI CD. And now some people are asking, without the basic, how you are starting here? Guys, without the basics, I will not start. Why to keep like, what is CI CD? Why CI CD? Everyone knows basics at least, right? But I will be telling that. I will be telling with the entire flow, how the CI CD will look like, what are the tools involved, what are the types of Jenkins file, what is a Groovy file, how you can design a Groovy file, what are the types of trigger. Suppose GitHub is there, Jenkins is there, how you are able to trigger these two automatically. And you will see a project also where we are integrating Sonarqube, Maven and everything, right? All of you agree? Not only this, you will see everywhere the preview contents. You can see everywhere, wherever I have written hands-on, it means a project for you. Okay, right? All of you are understanding. Next few hours, it will be your life-changing point. Either you join, not join, it's up to you. But if you are joining my course, I will be putting all my energy, how I am shouting now. It will be the same way till the 16 sessions. And you see how people are telling honest reviews. These guys are from batch 1. Okay, you see my honest reviews. He's taking a lot of time, efforts, experience. I'm delivering my everything to you, right? I am delivering everything to you. Golapalli Giridhar. Okay, Gopi Krishna T. This is the guy who has got placed in Walmart I was talking about, right? So you see, guidance. People usually tell like that. And this is the girl who has got into Mercedes Benz. She didn't ask. She asked me not to put her name, so I have not put her name, by the way, right? So all the FAQs you will find in my website. How do I sign up? In which company student got placed? Nokia, right? Recently, one person has got placed. Will I get job after this course? Is there any project training in the course? Right? And you will see key takeaways, and you will see actual placements, right? Isaki Rajan placed in Kesaya, right? This is the guy, right, who has placed 13 LPA, 1 lakh joining bonus. All of you are watching? All of you are there or not? Tell me, where are you all? All of you are there? 87 people? Yes. No prerequisite, guys. You don't need any prerequisite. You just join, and SINGAM will take you step by step towards your job success. Right now, you see where I was. See, this is the girl SRE Walmart, right? And this is the guy Zynga. This is the guy of what you call the Airtel. I have not put other testimonials because the screen will get filled. But you see, many of the people have got given. So you see, guys, Tripura Kant. Who is this guy? Can anyone tell me where we have seen his name? where we have seen his name. No one is like that cloud architect. Okay, everyone is cool. You have to approach in that manner. Okay, right now you see my teachings, and if I go to batch 1, okay, let's go to the batch 1. I will take you to the batch 1 now, and you will find something called reviews at the end of batch 1. So guys, see here, reviews, what people are telling. Okay, what people are telling. You see, I'm not telling anything. These are the genuine reviews which people has given, right? You see, reviews are coming, right? All of you, right? Great course with hands-on projects with the best mentor Praveen, because he will explain every concept with real-time example. Kirti, thank you Praveen for providing wonderful sessions, hands-on projects. So everyone is happy with the hands-on projects, right? Everyone is happy. Now, those who are in the session, I will be keep on talking few minutes, but if you want something right away, you can just check here, and I will be giving this link. Okay. Anyways, these all things will be available to you, but you have to explore from your own, right? So this will be here, and code is Devops, DEVOPS 2. Okay, you will get 55% off, right? And I will pin this message if I am able to. I don't know how to pin this message. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think from here I can pin. Let me do that. 1 second. Okay, I think I cannot do this, but yeah, that's fine. So is that lab you are provided? We will do labs on AWS servers and also on your local laptop, right? Now guys, on the YouTube, those who are on the YouTube, you can see the description, right? You are able to see the description, right? Flat 55% discount for people in today's class. So next 2 hours, this DevOps 2 code will be valid. And after that, it will get automatically expired, right? And those who have joined the WhatsApp, they will know this value, because I have got many pings where people have told, sir, please give me this code. Sir, please give me, right? Right? Those who have joined, that's fine. That's fine. This is valid for the people who have joined this class, right? Don't worry, right? Now, people have joined with more cost also, right? Now, those who have joined, that's fine. But those who have not joined, please see this, okay? Hi Praveen, may I know on which OS? OS will be Windows and Linux. Windows, we will install the local tools on AWS Linux servers. We will install Linux things and everything, right? Please review my resume. Yes, Srijan, I have seen your resume. I'm coming to that. Please wait for some more time. 8.3. Now, those who want to take the course, I will give some few minutes. You can go and explore. Meanwhile, those who are on the live, just read this reviews. Okay. Right, please read this reviews. You will get something out of it, right? So many reviews, right? People have given. Just see, got placed in Airtel. Yes, people have got placed in Airtel. So guys, just see and just make sure how these things will help you in the coming days, right? At the end, we need jobs, guys. At the end, we need jobs. That's what we have to do, all right? Now, any doubts you have, please, I will give 5 minutes of time for doubts. Can we get batch 1 recorded videos? Now, why you want to join batch 1, which is recording? Now, live impact is more, right? Live impact is more. Praveen, do we need to have coding knowledge? No coding knowledge is needed. In my class, I will teach Python and shell scripting, right? And that's where you will see. Now, people are asking course start date and end date. Okay. Now, course start date and end date, guys, everything is in the sheet only, in the first slides. Guys, all of you see here. All of you see here on the screen, please. On the screen, you see. Now, 16 live sessions, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. starting from March 11th. Recordings will be available. PDFs will be available. 2 months, 8 weeks, Saturday, Sunday classes, 10 plus hands-on projects, right? Right. And what else? Certificate, 1 year access. Now, you see in every class, I have given the date and time, right? 11th March, 12th March, 18th March, 19th March. And if you scroll down, April 30th, these classes will go on, right? All of you. And after each class, as you are seeing this this batch 1, right? Okay, not this one. I wanted to show you something, but that's fine. Okay, so now tell me, what are your questions? Kindly discuss about AWS first. No, it is a predefined structured course by me. So whatever is there, it will be coming in that way only. Can time be shifted from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. morning? No, Khalid, it cannot be shifted because batch 1 also the same timing was, and people were able to join and get the benefits, right? So the same timing will get continued. Any other questions you have? So guys, those who want to join, I would request you to join because the code will get expired in next few hours. Devops 2, right? How you have to join? I have already told you, right? Everyone in the meeting, right? You have to cancel the SINGAM 10 code and apply this. No paras, no prerequisite. If you have 2 years of experience, then it's better to come and join because you will get some good projects, right? Now, how to pin? Anyone know how to pin this message? I don't know basically. Anyone know how to pin the Zoom message? Join just now, Aditya. Placement assistant still how many days? Great question. Once you are job ready, right? Maybe few sessions we will continue apart from the sessions which we have given, right? And whatever your resumes, your interviews, if someone wants mock interview, we will see accordingly. All right. Great. Great. Do we need to take AWS subscription? Yes. Good question, Deepika. This we will discuss in our class. AWS, I will make you walk through. I have the documents with me, how to sign up and everything. We will talk in the course, right? As a non-tech background student, can I get job in DevOps? Yes. Mac OS is good for the course, right? Yes, Saurav, guys, I have the Mac only. Those who have Mac, keep it Mac. Those who don't have Mac, go with Windows. And anyways, in the AWS, we will take the server. Mandadi, yes, you can join because the thing is, right, for 14 years of experience, we will divide your resume as like 8 plus 6 or something, 10 plus 4, right? And I have mentored managers like with 14 years of experience, 10 years of experience, and I have received some mails also, right? Okay, Ajju is telling how it is possible to cover K8's concepts in short time. K8's concepts in short time, it's a job ready course, right? You will get what market is demanding. That's what you need to understand, right? Got it? Okay, great. I'm a student. Can I get student offer? Okay, whatever the offer is there, it's valid for today, next 2 hours. And once that is done, I will be helpless. Okay. So those who are here in the class, what you have to do, you have to go here, right? I will close this. Okay. Okay. Where is my message? Okay. You have to go to my website, www.pravinsingampalli.com, right? And you will see something called buy course here. Guys, all of you. Okay. Then you have to click on buy course now, right? And it will take you to the course sign-in page. For international payments, you can opt for PayPal, right? Guys, I'm getting all the messages like, can I get a job? Can I get a job, right? What you need to do to get a job, no one is asking, right? No one is asking. That is very much important, guys. You need to invest time. You need to invest money. Before I got the job, I invested almost 1 lakh on my job search, right? I did 3 certifications, one with 40,000, one with 35,000, one with 10,000, right? And I have taken some Udemy courses from where I got the good opportunities, right? So I always tell people, you need to invest time. So now you see here, all of you, you cancel this code, you apply here Devops 2, right? DEVOPS 2, and you will get the offer for today, right? 3554, right? And those who are watching, this will be valid for the next few hours, right? Got it? Right? After that, please, this code will not be available, right? And I will be helpless, right? And also, you have seen all the students. Guys, if you have still doubts now, please connect with the people, right? Anyone has still any doubts? What is the time now? 8-9 p.m. Another 5 minutes I will spend on this. Then I will directly jump into the resume reviews and resume session, right? I have paid for batch 2, eagerly waiting for it. Can I? Batch 1 recordings is not possible, right? It's already completed, right? Yes, 8 months is an experience, Jimmy. Yes, I'm on bench. So till 11th March, What can I do extra? Okay, those who want to learn something, you already have joined the Telegram group, right? Those who have signed in, you will get an email, registered email. You will join the Telegram group, and from there I will be guiding. By March first week, I'll be releasing all the important content in the Telegram group so that you follow step by step. All are agreeing with that? Yes. All are agreeing? Yes. Yes. MacBook you can use. Yes. All are agreeing? Great. 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 You all can join, guys. You need a job, right? You need to invest time. You need to invest money. You need to invest your concentration, right, on these type of courses. Okay, great. Now, all of your queries are over. Lecture website pe hoga kya? Yes, lecture will be on website, right? This website only, how you have logged in, right? How you have logged in, you have to go under each session and there will be Zoom link, join now, and it will be directly taking you to this. And now, those who are watching on YouTube, all the sessions will not be on YouTube. This is the session which I wanted to make sure this resume session is visible to everyone. But course session will not be visible to anyone. It will be specifically designed and is dedicated to the people who are joining the course only, right? All are done. Telegram group, all of you have done. Now, wait, don't message me, guys. 1 second. All of you click on this link if you are interested, right? Click on this link, guys. Please don't message. Ajay, I have Windows desktop. What is the minimum configuration? 4 GB RAM, maybe 500 GB hard disk is good enough to go. Okay. Because 4 GB RAM is important because we will install Kubernetes, we will create the clusters, right? It needs minimum 4 GB RAM. Okay. Below that, if your laptop is slow, then I can't do anything. But if your laptop is good in condition, then Kubernetes will withstand. Okay. Now, all of you click on this link. 70 plus people are here and 50 plus people on this. All of you click on this link. I want everyone to go one by one, step by step, what is there in the course. Now, everyone with me, click on this link. Don't see on the screen just for 2 minutes so that I don't get any questions later, right? So you mail me, right? Right? You mail me, right? So now you see, all of you have clicked on the link, guys. Where are you all? All of you have clicked on the link. Yes, no? Yes, all of you. I want to walk you through the important data, right? FAQs and everything. Okay. Yes. Now you see, this is batch 2, right? And you will see 16 live sessions, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. starting from March 11. Recordings will be available 2 months, 8 weeks, Saturday, Sunday classes, 10 plus hands-on projects, mock interviews, certificate, which is very important for you. And you come here, we will have CI/CD advanced, continuous delivery with Docker, Python automation, Kubernetes, in-depth, chatbot automation with Slack bot and Telegram bot, shell scripting. I will have some 8 to 10 scenarios, right? Real-time monitoring. When I'm telling real-time monitoring, you will see Grafana, you will see Prometheus, you will see MySQL. We will integrate MySQL with Prometheus. Terraform, you will see AWS infra getting created. Red Hat, we will do on AWS Linux system, right? AWS real-time scenarios, we'll do AWS infra creation again. Ansible hands-on, we will see some playbooks, real-time playbooks. GitLab CI/CD automation, we will create runner, we will create a CI/CD in GitLab itself, right? All of you understood? Now you see what I am doing, guys. I'm building you the best person, right? I'm trying to build you the best person from my course. From this, once you have written all your notes, so what is the 3 things you have to keep in the mind when you are joining my course? What are the 3 things I have told you? YouTube link not available. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, let me do one thing. All of you, please see here. I am pinging here, and you will see code as DEVOPS DevOps 2. Okay, so this will be your course, and that will be your link. So I am pinging in the chat. So I will be pin message. Okay, I have pinned this message. Okay, you all will see now. Okay, code DevOps 2. Now you all have got this. I hope that's okay. Now you will see here also. right? And you can do that. Okay, that's fine, I believe. Now all of you have done this. Now you see wherever I've written hands-on, those are the projects to you all, right? Those are the projects to you all. Now you come down, features of this course, learn through 16 Zoom live sessions. So if I want to talk, like Pankaj has raised hand, right? So I will give, like in my class, the chance to talk. Now in the last 5-10 minutes, we will interact. Okay, so don't leave the session, right? Yeah, 3 things. Okay, Amar is telling, one is book, pen, water bottle, and energy. Okay, that's what I want. Everything, every person in my class, I want everyone, right? So how I am maintaining the energy? With my water bottle. Without this, I can't stay also, right? Okay, Deepika, if you have not added to the Telegram group, go to the enrolled email which you have got with the invoice. In the email, you will see link to join the Telegram group. Okay, those who have paid, you can join the Telegram group directly. Certificate according to market, yes. I worked as Linux admin for 1 year on Cisco from service base, and since then I am on bench 6 months. Yes, you will. It means, Aditya, you are very much in need of these projects. Okay, that's what I understood. So Rijwan, you can join. Yes. Hi sir, I have 3 years of gap. Why so much gap? After grad, I'm currently working in Accenture from I don't. Yes, you can join definitely, Surya, because that is where the projects will help you, right? That is where the projects will help you. Now back to this thing. Test yourself through quizzes and assignment, a little bit quizzes, as I have told you. Build understanding through real-time use cases, gain knowledge, right? Get certificate, join the Telegram group where you can talk with each other. That access I have given. For the batch one, that access was not there, and I've given. So all the FAQs you see, freshers can enroll. Yes, because I've already shown you how my freshers have got jobs, right, from my courses. Right, what is the language of the course? It's purely in English, guys, right? It's purely in English, right? Still not working, Mandadi, what is the issue? Can you tell me? Okay, now people are asking what is the difference between batch 1, batch 2, and YouTube content. YouTube content is not having any projects, and it is just unstructured content. Now here it is a structured content which, with time investing on you, with real-time projects, with hands-on, with certificate, with more energy, more power. And you will be watching me continuously for the next 2 months, and I will be imparting all my 25 product-based, service-based companies, how I have achieved, how I have cracked the mock interviews. You will see with me, because I take interviews for people with more than experience, right? Batch 1 is recordings, so I would not recommend you go with batch 1, because that is not recommended at all. I would love you all to join the live sessions, and we will do so much things. Okay, got it? Now what, how do I start the course after payment? See, this is the sign up page, and you will see the email, right? Everything, job placements, the student data, the reviews, and everything. So these are the things, these are the people, I love them, right? Students. So all are good. How to join Telegram group? Once you have joined the course, you will receive the email, right? Email in the sense the confirmation email, and from there you can join the course, right? So in my class, I usually play music. I usually record some of the data points, so that people see like how we are with energy, right? Yes. Not now. It's not. Okay. All are good. Okay. All are good. Praveen, will you share the daily activities and day-to-day tasks? I will talk in the class. Okay. I will talk in the class. Guruji. Okay. Sure. Matlab 11 years gap. I'm not sure. I won't comment on this, Guruji. Right. Okay. Shall we go ahead with the topics? All of you have registered. It's already 1 hour, I think, 1+hour, right? The code will be activated only for the next few hours, or the limited seats. Until that, after that, it will be again back to the cost, and even higher than that, right? So again, it's up to you all, what you decide for the next few, maybe days, or next few months, how you actually design your life. All right, when I'm talking about life, it means a bigger word I have used, right? Now all of you have done the registrations, those who wanted to do. I'm just interested for the people, those who are interested, so I'm asking. Yes, resume preparation will be there. Everything will be there. Rahul and Pankaj, last 5-10 minutes we will talk. Okay, just wait. Okay, Deepika, you can message me to my email ID, right? Batch to email ID, and I will give you the link, right? No problem. Okay, anyone who is website not working properly, what is the issue? Aditya, resume preps will be in group 1. It will be in the course. Okay, I will be teaching on Mac, but don't worry. Previously, it was Windows, Mac, everything. I will be sharing links for installation on Mac and Windows also. Okay, loading, but I am able to see the website, right? Why it is loading? Guys, you have to open in the incognito or refresh the cache. Okay, then it will work. Okay, all of you are done. If you say, okay, if you want me to wait for next 2 minutes, or shall we move ahead? It's working? Yes. Okay, on YouTube, people, where are you all? It's working, yes. Okay, I will watch my YouTube people also. Okay, those who are on YouTube, guys, if you are liking the content, please like the video and share the channel link with your friends. That will really help, right? It will really help. Okay, all are good. Move ahead. Okay, Khalid, great. His site can't be reached. This error I got. I think Mandadi, you are. I think it's issue with your end. Please check that. Okay. Okay. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead to the resumes. Okay. Now you all see this again. I am telling it will be valid for next 2 hours, right? And it can expire anytime. So if you are making the decision, make the decision at right time. And we have 10 more days to go. Hardly March 11th. I will be bombarding with so much content. You should be ready for sitting with me for 3 hours class. One break will be given if you are asking, or else we will continue with no breaks, right? So that's how the power, the Josh, and everything I will be bombarding onto you. So you should be ready with more power. Okay. Now let's move ahead with the. Okay, 10 plus. I think here can you vote? I think you cannot vote. Okay. So let's move ahead. Yes. Okay, those who are telling Telegram link in the mail is not working, you have to copy that link and open in browser or open in somewhere, not in phone. Okay, it will have some glitch. Let's move. Okay, great. So let's move ahead, guys. Now let's move ahead. Okay, now there is a 2 good websites which I like personally, and I have prepared my resume. All of you see here. All of you see here. Okay, so Canva is one of the good place, right? Canva is one of the good place where you will actually find the resume preparation. All of you see, all of your eyes on the screen. Yes, no? Okay, I should not close this. Okay, all of your eyes on the screen. Yes. Okay, great. Great. Now you see, customize this template. Once I have clicked this link, you have to actually log in with your ID, right? And customize this template. So you see, guys, freshers I am talking about mainly. See how you can prepare your resume, how beautiful this resume is, how beautiful this resume is. You can prepare and download. Now let's take, I'm just making some changes over here. Just see. All of you are, okay, on YouTube, all of you are able to see. Will you explain interview questions also? Yes. Oh, I don't know your name, Bis Gurukul, right? Interview questions, everything will be explained. I think I have told you, na? In my course, if you see in the batch, if you see in the down, right? Mock interviews, bonus. Okay, why it is here? Okay, here I think contents will be, if I have not added, sorry. Mock interviews with feedback shared to the live candidate, interview questions. Yes. So I think this you are talking about. So in the last session, we will be discussing the interview questions of each tool and mock interviews with feedback given to the people, right? Batch 1 is recording and batch 2 is live sessions, right? So that's where you will see, right? In the courses, you will see upcoming live and recorded. That's what the difference is, right? Right. Now you see, let's go to the Canva. All of you see here how I am doing the change for that particular person, right? So all of you see, let's take a name here, maybe Nitin. Nitin is very active on YouTube. Let's take Nitin. Let's take DevOps engineer. Okay, all of you see how I am doing. Let's take, this is Nitin, about. right? How I am writing here. Okay, not here. A skillful DevOps engineer. All of you see? Okay, not able to see. Don't worry. I will make the font big a little bit. Skillful DevOps engineer with 1+ years of experience and have worked on cloud, SRE, and monitoring. Okay, that's how you make your resume. All right, this is a one-liner, but if you want to impact more, you can think, sit and think, take time, give time to your resume. Right, that's what we want to do. Okay, now you see contact. So guys, this is for freshers. Okay, your contact can be given in this way: hard skill, soft skill. You can type actually like skills. This can be your, you don't need to give soft skills. We will change this to, this guy has not given certifications, right? Now certifications I will give. Okay, certifications, skills, achievements he has given, professional experience he has given. So this resume looks good. All of you, can you tell me this resume looks good? Anything I am missing for a fresher resume? Where are you all? Anything is missing? Anything is missing? Anything is missing? No. All are good. Looks good. Okay. Now, once I have done that, it's free now. You just go to here, share, and you just say download, and it will be downloaded. Okay. All of you are agreeing? This is a free site, Canva, and multiple resumes are here, guys. Photo is mandatory for everyone. For, how much time is this? 8:27. Photo is mandatory. Name, everything is mandatory. All are good. Where on my on the YouTube, everyone is happy. For freshers, guys, those who are freshers, I am giving importance to you also, right? I'm not neglecting, right? So Rohit, you can understand how importance I'm giving to freshers. So in the course also, you will see the same kind of knowledge and content. Okay, all are good with this? Okay, great. Now let's go into the experienced candidate. Almost remains same. All of you are okay? Let's move to the experienced candidate resume. Yes. Okay, great. Yeah, Sai Ganesh, photo is not mandatory, but if it is good, right, then it will be like more genuine, right? You want to show you how much genuine you are. So guys, that is a professional resume only. Whatever I have shown you here, these all are professional resume. You can pick any of the resume, but don't take like this boxes and all. Take something which is very good. This is neat. This blue color, you can change it to some other color. This is also good, right? This is also neat and clean, right? That's what we want, right? Tools, DevOps, right? Everything is good. Now let's go to the Novo resume. I will show you few things. Novo resume. This is a free resume builder, and you see if I sign in. Okay, I will sign in with my email ID. Okay, it's not allowing me to sign in, or okay, it has sent my 1 second. I'm just approving this. Where is this? Okay, here only I need to open. Okay. Why it is again asking? All of you, please hold, huh? Hold. Just hold. Knock, knock. We have sent a one-time link to my email ID. Okay, done. So guys, all of you see here, one-page resume. This Novo resume gives actually. Okay, build my resume. Not this one. Okay, what I will do now, this account I have actually purchased. Okay, I will not go here because it is taking me to my actual resume. I will sign in with some ID. Okay, I will not waste time. So guys, what you can do, I will tell in simple way. Okay, this Nova resume is free and you can make the experienced or professional resumes from here. Okay, and you just sign in and it will give you the free resume templates from this resume, from this link. And one more thing I would like to tell you, always try to make 1 to 2 page resume. Okay, for 2-page resume you have to pay, for 1-page resume it is free. Right now, coming on to some data points, this is very good platform and I have seen many experienced people are making from here. Right, I'm not promoting this link, but it is a free, right? Or else you can go with Canva. Now all are clear. I don't want to waste time of you all. Okay, all are clear till now. Can we go to the resume session, resume reviews on the, does this course useful for 3 years? Yes, Gurukul, it is very useful, right? Very useful for mainframe people, support people, freshers, right? You will get real-time projects which you can directly put in resume, right? So what are you waiting for? I don't understand, right? So just check the details, right? Just check the details. Now all of you have done. Total number of projects we are going to show in, what is that? In resume. You can keep whatever I am telling, you can keep as a project. Okay, so don't worry, Aditya. Okay, I have seen some people have raised hand. I will talk in another 10 to 15 minutes. Shall we start the resume reviews? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, please, let's move. Great. Don't waste time. Let's move. Okay, these are the people who have given the resumes here. Right? I will close everything. Okay, so you see how many resumes I have got. After that, I have closed the drive link, right? All of you are able to see on the YouTube also. Right now, let's take Akshay's DevOps resume. Okay, now you see Akshay Panigrahi resume is very simple. He is telling career objective, professional overview, and he is telling very simple template. Now this template is very old fashioned template. Okay, now what I would suggest is completely change this template to the new Canva template or the Nova resume template, where you are telling all the things, and you have to bold the letters. Guys, have you seen that we have bolded the data? Okay, please hide company name. Where is that? Okay, I don't know. Whoever has given, okay, whoever has shared their resume, right? Can I show your resume on the screen? Yes, no. Who is that? Anyone here? Okay, Rahul is there. Srijan. Okay, Srijan is there. Okay, great. So let's, anyways, I have hidden the mobile number and everything. No worries. No one will call you as far as I know. So you see, what is the one word we have understood, right? We have to bold the keywords in each line. So see, if I am a HR, I should clearly see the data, right? What is there on the screen? I should clearly see. So here, if he would have bolded these data points, my eyesight will flash on this. So first thing, you have to change the template. Second thing, you have to bold the letters which you feel that you have done extremely good. And third thing, technical skills. Okay, good. L1 DevOps engineer. Okay. Okay, this is somewhere. Projects. Why you have given this projects again here? This can be kept in the first thing only. I think you have kept, okay, projects. Okay, you have not written anything. Guys, never give one-line projects. Nothing is one-line projects, guys. Okay, you have to give data points. So whoever is this resume, please add at least 5 to 6 points as a project. Then only people will understand you are a genuine candidate. Okay, strengths are good, declaration is okay. Now all are clear with the first resume. All are clear with the first resume. Okay, clear, right? So Akshay, I want you to change your entire resume. Okay, now who told Srijan? Okay, we'll see Srijan's resume. Where is Srijan's resume? Okay, great. So Srijan's resume, let's see, because he has told yes to me. Okay, anyways, I have hidden his data point. Okay, great. This looks good. This resume, okay, sorry. This resume looks good. Okay, And he has bolded the data points also. But Srijan, don't keep education on top. Okay, as I've told you, education should not come on top. What it should come, as you have seen in the session, right? There is an order. You tell your summary, you tell what you told, professional summary, then technical skills, then your work experience, then your achievements, like that. Then comes your education, right? Work experience, right? Now this is really good, right? But I think you have somewhere bolded in black, and here you are bolding in blue. Somewhere maintain the same thing, right? Okay, great. Khalid, from YouTube you are telling show my resume. Definitely I will make a walkthrough. I've seen your resume, it's really good. We will talk. Okay, so see guys, so whose resume is this? I think Srijan, right? So Srijan, you have to change this, and don't keep gap, guys. Okay, this gap is literally big gap, which we don't need, right? Played a major role in deployment of 5G and is a great man. Now when you are telling these 4 points for this project, now what I want is you keep in numbers also, like we have seen what we have seen: leadership skills, empathy. Those points are missing from your resume. Think what leadership skills you have obtained. Now you see deployment of OpenStack. These all things are good, but in place of 4 points, you can keep here 8 points by managing the gap, and keep it bold black only, right? Now this is good. Technical skills, yeah, this is good. Keep it in a box way or something, like it should look cool, rather than just you have spreaded everything. No matching is there. Okay, personal DevOps projects. Okay, this is good. Achievements, this is really good. Appreciated. Okay, appreciated as a terrific teammate for excellent work. Great. Now free 5G in KITS cluster when you have done any cost reduction, any cost optimization, any sale point of view, have you increased? Those things are important. Now declaration, this is good. What I found in your resume is space is utilized more, right? And somewhere it is not properly customized is what I felt. And bolding you have done somewhere, you have not done somewhere. If you see here, worked on Jenkins use case deployment 5G, it should be bold, or AWS OpenStack should be bold, right? What else I felt? Achievements, any extracurricular activities, any hobbies, please add that. That's where your resume, and your picture is also not there, brother, because you guys have not removed the phone number. I'm not showing properly, but that's fine na? It's okay, right? You are able to understand, right? You are able to understand whoever in the class, right? First you need to bold the data, keep your photo, keep the order what I have told in the resume session. All right, what else? Keep your genuinity, full-time employee or not, you should be doing that, right? You have to tell I'm working in so and so company, full-time employee. Because why we are keeping full-time employees, guys? Can anyone tell on YouTube or here? Can anyone tell why we are doing that? Because we want to stand different from the other people who are not fake. We are not fake people, right? Yes, great, noted. Yes, not contractor. Yes, people are not taking contractors and the fake people, right? So you should be genuine. So you tell full-time employee or permanent employee, something like that. Okay, now let's go to the next resume. I think Abraham has told, Abraham or Khalid. Yes, Khalid has told. Where is Khalid resume? Okay, now we'll see Khalid. Okay, great. I will mask this data. Khalid is telling proficient in DevOps, computing, scripting, automation. Khalid is having, okay, Khalid, one thing I would like to suggest you, can you bring all these links to the top? Okay, professional summary means you need to explain about yourself, right? So all these links, whatever you see here, you can bring on the top. It's very good that you have GitHub, you have given YouTube. So guys, see, Khalid is having 14 years of experience. I think I have read somewhere. Yes, I think somewhere. Yeah. So that's okay. Now he's telling leadership qualities. He's doing something. He has taken some time out of it. So Khalid, first note is you have to remove all these things and put it on the top where your phone number and data is there, right? Second, DevOps projects implemented, Mongo Express, MongoDB, application deployment using Minikube cluster. Okay. Minikube cluster. Okay, these are the personal projects, right, Khalid? Yes, no? I'm waiting for your response. I think these are the personal projects. That is why Minikube cluster is there. Okay, even though if you're doing personal projects, don't give Minikube. Okay, it feels like you are doing personal projects, right? Whatever you are writing content, Git, hands-on, everything is good. You have given links. Links also good. Yeah, yes, lab projects, right? Don't give lab projects, Khalid. Okay, if you're giving lab projects now, remove this Minikube. Okay, Minikube is basically lab projects or the class projects. Okay, now set up Sonarqube server with Postgres. This is okay, good. These all are lab projects. Yes, I can understand. No, don't keep this as a projects. Sonarqube server with Postgres data. Okay, now these all things, you and me and the people here know that these all are like sample projects which you have worked from labs. Now, how you can convert these lab projects into the real-time projects is where your resume will get selected. Now, don't write like set up Sonarqube server with Postgres database. Now, how I will tell? Should I give URL of Git and HandsOn? Okay, that is a good question. Now, because you are doing this now, what I want now, you have anyways done that, right? Don't give Git and HandsOn. Okay, what it feels like is you are still in the learning phase or something. Now change this data itself into the real-time projects, right? In the point wise and change it. Right now, as you have seen the previous two resumes, right? How people have done, they have put project name and they have put some XYZ points, right? Like that. Right now, you are telling Docker, Minikube, SSH, various Kubernetes components like config map, load balancer. You have worked on these things. Put as a pointers, right? Now, Sonarqube also, you can put like project 2, and you can put like Sonarqube integration with Postgres database where you have done, and where you are the sole person who has done these things, right? Getting me? Deploying app using Git, Maven, Jenkins, Tomcat server. These all are, I think, lab projects only. Yes. Okay, experience certs will be shared. Great. So you have much experience, right? Khalid, you are from Pakistan. That's really great to see. Okay, badminton. So guys, see, Khalid has put leisure time. It means he's showing his hobbies, right? What type of hobbies he's working. And Khalid, you can put, as you have given your YouTube link, right? Maybe you can put that you are doing blogging, or you have any certifications. If you have won, you can put that also, right? Okay, minimize it to 1. Okay, that's fine. Make it to 2 pages, Khalid. Here, people will see that line by line frames, right? So make line by line, and how others have done, you have to make your resume like that. Okay, now you have understood. And also make bold, Khalid. Okay, bold the letters. It will make resume more clean, right? Now it's good, but it feels somewhere it's the lab resumes, right? Lab projects. Okay, so okay, now okay, someone was asking to review their resume. Check Arbaj M. Okay. How many projects are needed in resume? 3 good projects are enough, Arunima. Okay, 3. Okay, I will be taking one last resume, Arbaj. Okay, Arbaj M. I will be taking your resume, right? Just one last resume, and then we will talk with the people. It's 8:43. One last resume, we'll see, and we'll talk with the people, those who have raised hand. Arbaj. Yeah, I wanted to show you this guy's resume, Sriram. His resume is really good. Green color he has used. He has written contact info here. I will not open this resume because contact details will be there. Work experience he has put here. Core skills he has put like this. It's good resume. I felt it's really good. Now Arbaz, right? Arbaz. Srijan Arbaz. Deepika. Okay, Deepika is there. Ashutosh. Where is Arbaj? Yes. Okay, great. So Arbaj, again, Arbaj, the same mistake. Education should be coming down. Links of your, whatever links you have, na, keep it under your telephone number. People should click on, like, first they should just click on that link and they should see like, oh, who is this guy? What he's doing? Is he genuine or not? If you are keeping here, right, I'm not going to see, right, Arbaz? Okay, now objective: design and implement DevOps practices at large scale using open source tool. Achieve faster application development. Fujitsu, great. Software professional with 3+ years of experience in DevOps environment, AWS. Okay, you can keep this AWS and DevOps as bold, CI/CD as bold. Advantages. If anything, on the terms of what you have done, right? In terms of number, in terms of performance, you can keep those things in your resume. And when you are telling like Fujitsu, you can keep like permanent employee of Fujitsu. Okay. Tools, you can add more tools here. AWS skills is good. Languages is good. Okay, why 2 languages? No, these are okay. What you have done? No? Scripting languages you can keep. right? Or you can remove this completely. You can keep your certifications. Where are your certifications you have not kept? Achievements you have not kept. If anything is there, keep that. Okay. Extracurricular activities. Remove these languages also. Keep something here. Okay. And bold everything. Every resume should follow the same techniques, whatever we are discussing now. Right? Right? Yes. Great. So Arbaz, okay. Any questions, Arbaz? Ashutosh, it's time is less. I want to talk with people also here, right? I think you have joined this session, right? Batch. I will be taking all the resumes there. Okay. So guys, where is Arbaz? Arbaz, are you okay? Should I make 2-page? Arbaz, okay. Was your 3-page resume? Okay, guys, never stick to what I have told you. Never stick to 1-page resume. If you want to write about yourself more, then talk more. At least 2-page resume. What is the certification validity has expired? What is this item? I didn't get. Are we going to do live projects with you? Yes, Sanket, everything will be live projects. So guys, that was the session, today's session. Any questions you can ask now? Okay, who are all there? Okay, first of all, those who want to talk with me. Okay, first of all, please come on live video. Okay, I will be turning your chat. Okay, talks, unmute. I'll be giving you the access to unmute you all. Okay, first you all come to the live. Okay, thanks, Khalid. Okay, great. So all of you, I have applied 50 plus companies with this resume. Who is this? 50 still I'm not getting any calls. That's what, Arbaz, that's what you're doing the mistake. You need to improve your resume. You need to showcase more. Make 2-page and then we will see. Okay. Now all of you are good. Okay, only 2 people came on live. Why others very shy? After joining my course, all the shyness will be gone because we'll be talking on live mostly, right? Okay, great. So Sanket is here. What about any other person who wants to come live? We have very less time. Yeah, I'll be taking queries also. Once we are in live, just I'll take a small snap from here, how we have done the class for today's session, right? And that's what this goes. Now, how many people are there? 64. That's okay. That's okay. Thanks for joining. So yeah, let's talk now. Let's talk some things. So guys, in the chat, I want to see like, how was the today's session? Have you enjoyed? Yes, no. I usually make this video, small video. Any suggestions you want to give? Yes, energetic. Yes. Okay, very energetic. Okay. Okay, awesome. Great. So yes, that's what. Okay, let's talk with the people, not wasting time. Who wants to go first? I see you all can unmute. Okay, those who are in video can unmute and talk with me one by one.
Yeah, hi Praveen. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Who is that? Sandeep.
Sandeep.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Good evening. Yes, Sandeep, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm a mechanical background student, and I'm a fresher.
Okay.
Can I get a job in DevOps?
See, the first question everyone is asking, can I get a job? Right? First, trust the process. Till now, you have trusted and come here, right? Now,
Yes, yes.
imagine that you are keeping some projects which no one has kept. Chatbots, you have not seen chatbots also, and you are working on chatbots and you are
Yes,
keeping as a fresher. That means you are investing time on something good, right? Understand in that way. Then, after 2 months, you ask me, Praveen, with this projects, can I get a job? I will say yes. Now I cannot say anything, right? Now, what is your question? I am a fresher. Can I get a job or no? Now my answer is no, right? Yes, Sandeep. So definitely what I would suggest is think properly, act in time, get the things done, then ask something good, right? So maybe after 2 months, if you frame your resume good and then you apply 50 plus companies, then something good will happen, right? Okay, so that was Sandeep. Thank you. So who wants to go next? Sanket. Okay, Sanket is there. Okay, Sanket, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Praveen. So am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Sanket.
Yeah, so actually I wanted to ask about like, are we going to be asked about DSA also in our interviews or like DevOps interviews?
No, DSA will be there. For me, the DSA was there for Amazon, right? For Microsoft, for Google. Okay. So DSA will be there for few companies, but not for everyone, right?
Okay. And you told that we need to have 3 projects, right? 3 good projects on our resume, so
Yes.
that we can
Please,
pick up from this course.
100%. I'm telling 100% or 200%. You mark my words. Okay.
Okay.
GitHub repository. You just tell this is a project I have worked on, and they will ask the questions on that, and you can just tell the same. Okay.
Okay. We'll be doing the project alongside you, right? On the same time.
Definitely. I will be installing the tools, and you will be watching with me, and you will be cloning the GitHub projects with me, and you will be doing all those things.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. That was my query.
No problem. So before taking one next person, so guys, all of you, those who are on YouTube, right? I will again tell, if you are interested, you can hit this Devops 2 code, hit that URL and get the course if you are willing, because I think mostly by 10 p.m. the code will get expired, 10 or 11 p.m. mostly, right? Because it's a 2-hour course. My team has designed in such a way. Okay. So anyone who wants to take the course from YouTube also, the link is pinned. You have to apply Devops 2 coupon code, not SINGAM 10, right? Then you will get the 55% discount, right? Okay. Govardhan is telling session was awesome, very informative. Okay. Who wants to go next? Saurav. Okay. Who is that? Okay. Amar. Okay. Sorry. Wait. Amar, go ahead.
Hi, Praveen. Actually, I just want to ask a question. Sorry, I have a query. You said to be genuine in resume, right? So previously I was in some X company and I worked there for 2 years, but it was completely into some technical process side. Okay. And now I am working in around 1.8 years. I'm into the DevOps project. Okay. So I have studied, I gained knowledge from YouTube only. I studied and I cracked the interview and now I'm working. So that's fine, but the project is not so good. It's kind of like a support project actually. So how to build my resume and what that's
Hey, Amar, you are the inspiration for many who are here. You have already done that. Now, again, you have to do that. Now, you are not liking the project. You are coming to the support project. What do you have to do? You have to upskill yourself and again keep that kind of things only. It means we have to showcase that we have done that, and then we have to again search for the similar kind of project which you want, right? So
how
that's why
to see in the last company I was in completely into different project. Okay, it was not in DevOps or AWS. It was, you think like it was a BPO only. Okay, so how to write things in that, like how to, I want to put some DevOps things in that. So can I do that?
You can do that. I think 6 years, one person was working in BPO. At that time, I used to give my phone number also to students. Okay, not from batch 1, but before that, when I was teaching, right? So he used to call me, like he was 6 years of experience. He was working in BPO. I still remember I was in hotel. I told him not to call me. He called me. He was asking how to frame the resume. Then I took 15 minutes. I told him like, okay, BPO का तुम support का 2 साल डालो, बाकी DevOps का 2 साल डालो, जो भी projects किए हैं डालो इसमें. And he got the job. I am not remembering his name, but he is on LinkedIn. Maybe अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप मुझे LinkedIn में हाय या फिर कुछ एक मैसेज डालना. I will share his contact, तो आप उससे बात कर लेना फिर. ठीक है?
Okay, मेरा नाम अमरनाथ है, तो मैं आपको करूंगा पिंग आज, ठीक है?
हाँ ठीक करो. I have accepted your request ना. नहीं request accept.
हाँ, मैं आज रिक्वेस्ट सेंड करूंगा आपको. सॉरी अब तक किया नहीं. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है मुझे, जब से एक डाउट है, क्योंकि मेरे जब से मैं जो भी ट्यूशन ज्वाइन करता आता हूँ, तो दे यूज्ड टू से दैट फॉलो द थिंग्स व्हाट योर मेंटर यूज्ड टू टीच यू. Let's like for example today you have downloaded GitHub. So some people used to be very energized that they used to say like sir हमने पहले डाउनलोड करके रख लिया. हाँ, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप मुझे प्रॉपर बताए कि आप मुझे मैक में पढ़ाओगे तो मैं मैक में ही कंटिन्यू करूंगा, या फिर मुझे विंडोज का लैपटॉप लेना पड़ेगा मुझे.
ना अरे मैक ही है. अरे देखो मेरा मैक है, मैकबुक है, ठीक है? तो जिसका मैक है we will use Mac, and those who have Windows I will be sharing the Windows things also, so don't worry. Okay, good. Okay, who wants to go next? Okay, no problem, thanks. Who wants to go next? Unmute karo और बात करो यार directly.
Hello Praveen, I'm Nitin.
Yes, Nitin.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now. Go ahead.
So I have worked for a company where I was hired for DevOps engineer, but I have worked for a support project there based on the requirement for the company. But can I in the resume can I keep the support project where what I have worked for, or else should I keep some personal projects for getting for DevOps?
How many years of experience you have?
I'm having around 1.5, but in that 1 year I was in bench.
Oh, okay. Then we will keep the projects which will be working in the next 2 months. Okay. If you have joined the course, those projects you can keep directly. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Are you in the course or not? Tell me first.
I will enroll. I will enroll.
Okay, that's fine. You talk with many people. I think I have shared the LinkedIn links also. I think you are still in dilemma, and then decide. Okay, no issues.
Sure.
Great.
Thank you, Brian.
Okay, Rahul, go ahead. I think you have one. Saurav, next I will talk with you. Okay, Rahul, go ahead. Bye, Rahul. Okay, I think Rahul is not able to. Okay, Saurav, go ahead.
Hi, Praveen sir. Good
Yes,
evening.
Yes. Good
Really
evening.
great session, by the way. Yeah, I had a small doubt, more of a query. If suppose there are, how many people are there in one session, particularly batch 2? I've already enrolled, but how many people
See,
around on and above?
always I make sure that whatever the capacity I am able to teach, I will take that many students, not beyond that. I have some capacity. My energy should also flow through each student. It's not like I'm leaving any
Correct.
student. Right? So how I am talking with you? See, no people has raised hand. Whoever has raised hand, I'm talking with them only. Right. So whatever the capacity I can take, I will take that. But I have some limitations. Definitely, the batch is limited only. I cannot take more people. So definitely, if you have something doubt, so you can raise hand always, and I will talk without talking the session. Like even it is 6 to 9 p.m. I am telling in Microsoft Office when I went as a guest speaker, I talked almost 3 hours there, and I went to Vellore Institute of Technology. I talked almost 8 hours with 1 hour gap. Okay, so I will
Okay.
talk continuously. I have that much energy, so don't worry about that. Okay.
And we will listen continuously. We also have energy, sir.
You should
Thank you.
and you should have energy
Yeah.
to make sure you are able to withstand that whatever I am telling.
Yes.
Okay. Great.
One more small question, more of
Go
a
ahead.
technical question from the session itself.
Go ahead.
So, suppose I have 2+ years of experience and somebody else is a complete fresher. So,
Mhm.
of course, there will be a misgap between the technical skills
Okay.
between us. How will the synergy be created in the particular class if the one person is of 2 years experience and one person is a complete fresher? Obviously, he'll ask some basic question which already we know.
No, correct.
So, yeah.
No, that's a good question. So, by the way, this course is designed in such a way that, see, why you all are here? I will ask Saurav direct question. Why you all are here? To get a job. Okay.
Yes.
Yes or no? To get a job. And
Yes.
what's my course heading is 200% job ready course. Right.
Yeah.
I'm not a fool, or I'm not a liar where I will tell something big and I will just portray small inside the class. So when I'm telling real-time projects, you can keep directly in your resume. It means the fresher person should also put some additional efforts from him. Suppose I'm talking about CI/CD. I will give
Yeah.
whatever knowledge I have to that fresher guy, and the fresher guy for the next 5 days, he has to learn some things from his own also. Suppose he has watched the recorded session again, he has watched through the class notes, he has gone through the PDF, still he's having doubts, he can post in Telegram and he can post in the website discussion group also. Now if the students are not helping among themselves, then he can mail me also with the doubt, right? So those things are definitely there, so don't worry about that, right?
Yeah, that clears a lot. Thank you,
Great.
Praveen sir.
No
Thank you.
problem. So great. So who wants to go next? Before going anyone, I would like to tell you all again, if you are still thinking to enroll, right, you can take time, no worries, but not before 10:30 to 11 is what I would suggest, right? Because Devops 2 code will get expired, and again, it will be cost will come around 4,000 plus. So I want everyone, and those who are in the YouTube, you can click on the link, apply Devops 2. You will see SINGAM 10 code. If you want to show on the screen, I can again show you just to make sure you are able to understand. Now, buy now course is there. You will see SINGAM 10 coming here, right? Continue SINGAM 10, cancel this SINGAM 10 and apply code as Devops 2. Okay, DEVOPS 2. Okay, and apply. Once you have applied, you will get a 55% of discount, 3554. Okay, then you can proceed for the payment gateway, right? All of you are getting, right? I'm able to tell. Okay, who wants to go next? Sandeep, Pankaj, Amar. Amar, I have talked anyways. Azhar wants to go next.
Hello.
Yes, Pankaj.
Hello,
go
sir.
ahead. Yes, go ahead.
सर एक्चुअली मैं हिंदी बात करूं?
हाँ बोलो बोलो भाई, कोई दिक्कत
एक्चुअली 2 ईयर जॉब किया, उसके बाद कुछ 1.5 साल का कुछ गैप हुआ, और उसके बाद 9 मंथ का भी जॉब किया तो ले ऑफ हो गया। तो कुछ इसके बारे में मुझे क्या हो सकता है मेरे लिए?
अभी आपका कितना एक्सपीरियंस है, कितने साल का है?
एक्चुअली ओवरऑल मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है डोमेन में, लेकिन 2 ईयर का जॉब है, मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है। उसके बाद 2 ईयर का फिर गैप हुआ मेरा जॉब का। उसके बाद अभी 9 मंथ का फिर एक्सपीरियंस हुआ मुझे, 9 मंथ का। अभी ले ऑफ हो चुका हूँ मैं पिछले अभी 3-4 दिन पहले।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, देखो पहला बात तो जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस है वो ठीक है, ठीक है। और बीच में जो गैप आया है, आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि पैंडेमिक के टाइम में कुछ इशू था, आपने कुछ बिजनेस किया, या फिर पैंडेमिक के टाइम में भी कुछ इशू था, हेल्थ इशू था, ठीक है। वो लोग प्रूफ नहीं मांगेंगे। अदर थिंग, जो आप अभी 9 मंथ के बाद जो ले ऑफ हुए वो थोड़ा दिक्कत की बात है। तो जैसे ही मैं बोलता हूँ कि यार आप कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा, वो अलग कैसा होगा, आप कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स डालो रेज्यूमे में। आपका रेज्यूमे जैसा अभी मैंने बताया, आई थिंक पंकज आप बात कर रहे थे ना, म्यूट मत करो यार, बात करो।
यस 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 सर,
म्यूट मत करना। तो क्या मैं चाहता हूँ ना,
यस
जैसे आप कुछ प्रोजेक्ट रख रहे हो ना, आप वो प्रोजेक्ट रखने के बाद आपका रेज्यूमे कितना बार कोई बुला रहा है आपको, वो देखते हैं, ठीक है, वो देखेंगे। अभी जैसे आपने कुछ रेज्यूमे आज देखे हैं, आप तुरंत इस सेशन के बाद 1-2 दिन आप टाइम लो, राइट। उसके बाद आप रेज्यूमे बनाओ और नौकरी में अपलोड करो, और सी की कुछ डिफरेंस होता है कि नहीं, ठीक है। ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करो 1 वीक का, फिर आप कोर्स ज्वाइन करते हो, फिर कोर्स के बाद आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करो होता है कि नहीं, देन यू विल सी द डिफरेंस। तो मैं ये बोलूंगा कि यार आपको अभी बहुत सतर्क रहना है, एंड यू नीड टू गेट अ जॉब राइट इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स, दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड टेल, राइट।
ओके,
So
थैंक यू
that
सर।
was Pankaj. हाँ नहीं नहीं, मेहनत करना है यार पंकज, ठीक है। So next, who wants to go? I'll take one last talk, and we will close this session. I see 50
Yeah, hi
plus people.
Praveen, can I speak?
हाँ Azhar, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, okay. So Praveen, the thing is like I have total year of experience, like 7 years in the support project, okay,
Okay.
in a non-DevOps project. What I have done is like I have started learning on Azure pipeline services. Okay,
Okay.
I have already enrolled in this say batch two project. Since you have mainly focused on AWS, whether this would be also be helpful for me, because since I am already learning on Azure pipeline services, whether this would also be helpful.
Okay, Azhar, one good question. So see, there is no restriction on learning of cloud. Suppose you are learning Azure, keep that in the resume. Suppose you are learning AWS, it is coming as a project to you, so you can keep as a project. So I would say it will definitely help you. And even you are telling you are from support project of 7 years of experience. These all things will definitely help you to grow much more.
No, the other question would be like, should I have to start concentrating on AWS since you're focusing on the AWS technology like
It's not
Jenkins and
needed.
all?
Did I told you anywhere like if I'm telling something, you have to follow that only? No, it's
Okay.
always open, right? If I'm telling something, if you're thinking like, okay, AWS session में मुझे join करना है कि नहीं, because you already know Azure, then it's up to you. But if you think like, okay, AWS का कुछ project भी मिल रहा है जिसमें Terraform से हम लोग कुछ अच्छा बना रहे, then you can join and definitely learn on that also.
Okay, right? So okay, my last and final question. Okay, the other one, the thing is like I have requested you on the LinkedIn. Okay, as the thing. If I am going beyond this project, if I am asking to have a mentorship like support, like how do I build the resume? Because since I'm totally not from the DevOps the background, so would you be able to helpful like giving me the contacts or something like where I can build my own resume on this part?
Okay, great. So in LinkedIn, see, anyways, we will have resume session. After that, though, I don't think कि यार उतना कुछ you will need that kind of support कि पूरा resume बनाए. If at all you need it, you will see something called topmate.io in my LinkedIn profile. You can take the session from there, right? So उसके बाद मतलब when you are ready, like Azhar is ready to do the job switch now. At that point of time, you can show me your resume. फिर हम लोग थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करेंगे, फिर then you can apply to various companies.
Okay, perfect, good, thank you.
Great. Okay, no problem. So yes, that was Azhar. I saw one guy. Okay, okay, that was Azhar. Right. What about referrals? You have to search for referrals packet. Okay. So that's. I think I have talked with a few people. What's the time now? 9:04. Okay. So guys, one last time I will repeat again this thing. Even though you are getting bored, I know. But I think some of the important points I have shared. I've got so many DMs in WhatsApp, Instagram. I don't know. I have to reply them or I have to assign to my team. I'm not sure. So these all things. Actually, I have a team who maintains this. right? A single person cannot do all these things, right? So I have a team who maintains all these things. So I'll see, but yeah, in my Instagram I'm able to see. So guys, one last time, all of you see on my screen. Again, I'm telling, so this will be the batch 2, which will be starting from March 11th on YouTube. Those who are watching, this will be the last time I'll be telling, right? After that, the code or anything will get expired. Please don't feel bad again, right? Now, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., 3-hour session starting from March 11th, 2022. Oh, sorry, 2023. This I'll get it changed. Recordings available 2 months, 8 weeks, Saturday, Sunday classes, 10 plus hands-on projects, mock interviews, where I will be giving written feedback. I will take 25 minutes mock interview, 25 to 30 minutes mock interview, and 1 year access. The course will be actual price as of now is 3,999 once the SINGAM 10 code is applied, but you will have to apply the code of Devops 2. You need to cancel this code here, right, and apply the code of Devops 2, DEVOPS 2, right? Then you will get the 55% of discount and it will come here. Now, once you have done this, you can always see what contents I'm going to talk in my class. So you have to come here, preview. So you will see what contents I will talk in the class, right? At the same time, all the class sessions you will see here, right? 14th April, Ansible, AWS, Red Hat, everything you will see what I'm talking, right? And you can decide, right? Okay. After that, once you have seen this, still you are having doubt, you can connect with people of Gopi Krishna is there and others, those who agreed to show their name. Tripura is there. You can talk with them. Still not, then you can get the details from the PDF, which I'll be sharing. All right. So that's all for today's class. All right. Anything last? Who was that? Yeah. One last question. Aditya. Okay. You want to talk? Aditya first.
Yeah.
Aditya?
Hi, Praveen.
Where are you? Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I am asking like I'm trying interviews also parallelly with this. So means I have worked on Linux, but I am writing as a DevOps and I have added projects in my resume. So the first question that I got was, what is your day-to-day activity as a DevOps engineer? And I got stuck in that only.
Oh, okay. That is very easy thing. Okay. Maybe that it's not a general thing which I will discuss now. Like it takes time to express what are the day-to-day activities. But see okay, this is one good thing. I think whose resume was the first resume we see, na Aditya? That resume was good. He mentioned like, even though he was a fresher or some like 2 years, I think he explained some points, right? CI/CD, itna point tha uske paas. So that kind of talk you can do. Like वो सब काम किया आपका डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आप रिकॉर्डिंग देखो या फिर यूट्यूब का रेज्यूमे रिव्यू स्टार्ट होने का देखना. He has given good points, so that can be your day to day activities.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, great. So yes, with that said, actually in actual class I usually play music. I do so many things so that the class gets energized, right? तो हम लोग म्यूजिक रखते हैं. मेरे पास स्पीकर भी है. आई कीप म्यूजिक लाइक फॉर 2 मिनट्स ब्रेक अगर ले लिए तो दिख रहा है ना मेरा स्पीकर भी मेरे पास ही. तो आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बट अगेन दिस इज टाइम इज नॉट देयर, राइट? तो ये सब करेंगे जो. सो whoever has joined the class, right, I will see you in March 11th at 6 p.m. with more power, right? You all should be having your notebook. Keep a 500-page notebook. I have my notes. I will be showing maybe in the class itself how I have divided the 500 pages into each tool wise, right? Some pages on one tool, keep gap, second page tool, like that. Okay. So yes, thank you all for joining the class. It was really nice talking to you all. 100 plus people have joined here, and I think 60, 70 on YouTube, right? So let's meet on March 11th. Yes. So those who want to enroll, you can always go www.praveensingampalli.com, click on batch 2, apply DevOps 2 code, and see you on 11th March, right? Thank you. Take care, and always share my channel. Please, at least 30 of you, if you share with 2 people my YouTube channel link, right, it will be 60 subscribers, right? So I always go with that kind of formula, right? So today few things happened. I crossed 17,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I think 39,000 family on LinkedIn. It will be crossed soon in next few hours, I think. And in Instagram also 2,500. I think 3-4 people are left. It will be crossed. Okay. So yes, Okay, I will do one thing. Instagram, if anyone has not followed me, you can SINGAM for DevOps is my Instagram, right? You can just follow me and make 2,500. I think how many people are there for 2,500? I'll just check. So I keep all the data. Okay, one person is left for 500. Okay, I am showing here. So 2499 is there, 2,500, one person is left.
Let me follow.
Great. So SINGAM for DevOps, you can follow, right? And always share my YouTube channel link with your friends. It will be really helpful, right? And I can bring more content, right? Okay, thank you all for joining. I'll end the, okay, this is the YouTube channel link. If anyone wants to share, right, you can share. Okay. Right. Thank you all for joining this session. It was 3 hours long session. I think 3, right? 7, 8, 9. Okay, 2 hours long session. It was really nice. Like Greta is there. I think few of you people I will definitely meet in March 11. Right. Keep working hard. Buy notebook. Prepare your resume format today only. Maybe tomorrow take time, and start accumulating the documents. Join the Telegram link. If you have not joined the Telegram link, email me. I will send the link. Right. If you have not done. Okay. Great. Thank you all and good night. We'll see in the March 11 batch 2.0, right?
Thank you, Praveen. Good night.
Good night.
See you on 11.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.